How to save view once photo on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can save view once photo on WhatsApp. These are the photos that disappear after you open them. So in this video, we will share some tips to save them safely. So let's just get started. Step number one is opening up the WhatsApp application on your phone and just navigate to the chat where you have received the view once photo. So just go ahead and click on it. And in order to tap the view once photo, when you receive the view once photo, it will display a message telling that it can be only viewed once. So when you tap on the photo and view it, just go ahead and tap on it. The photo, you can find this message here. So when you click on OK, you can see this photo is something which is only visible once. When you have opened it, it will turn gray. So WhatsApp has made it very difficult to save the view once photo directly, as they are designed to disappear after being viewed. So there is no such direct way, the built-in feature in WhatsApp which allows us to view the view once photo. So the only alternative way we can have is screenshot, which is also not allowed due to the privacy settings of the WhatsApp. But alternatively, you could use your phone's screen recording feature to capture the image, but then the sender might be alerted. So if you want to select the video, just go ahead and open the screen recorder on your phone, and before opening up the photo, you're just gonna go ahead and record the screen, and after that open the photo, and after that is done, just go ahead and look out for the video that you've recorded, the screen recording, and you will just screenshot that particular part of the photo and save it on your device. And that's it. That is the only possible way right now we have that can give us an attempt to save a view once photo on WhatsApp. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions on one more tutorial. So see you in the next video.